Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make a slip knot. So the end of the yarn, it's called tail yarn, and the yarn who attached to the yarn ball, it's called working yarn. So first of all, we straighten our yarn, just lie down, and we make a small loop like this. And when you are making a loop, make sure your working yarn is over to the tail yarn like this. Now we insert our finger into this loop, and now we pull through this working yarn into it like this. That will make a slip knot. One more time. Straighten your yarn, make a loop, make sure your working yarn is over to your tail yarn. Like here is the tail yarn and this is the working yarn. So now insert the finger into the loop and pull the working yarn into it and just pull the loop. So let's make your knot. So this is the tutorial of how to make a slip knot. Thanks for watching.